Hello guys, I hope you're having a happy Thursday. Thank you for tuning in for all the latest tech news here on NT News. Okay, so in our first story for today, don't you love paying contracts and sticking to certain carriers for your mobile subscription? Well, now you can do that for your consoles too. So Microsoft is allegedly coming up with a new subscription service, with not really a subscription service, more of a contract-based service, which will give you an Xbox One X or Xbox One S, along with an Xbox Live Gold subscription and an Xbox Game Pass subscription, for which you will pay a certain amount of money per month. Now, if this is gonna be in the territories of the $20 to $30 price points, or if it's gonna be more of a $50 per month, I don't know. And it will obviously have to do with the duration of your plan. But anyways, you can now stick to your console and pay for it monthly. Why not? I mean, you're doing it for your iPhones already, so what's another contract? Okay, so in our next story for today, we have Google's Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL being available in a black market in Ukraine, which is weird and really sketchy. And also, you know what? I can't really justify Google at this point, because how the hell can so many phones be obtained by a black marketer in Ukraine and be sold without Google doing anything? Like, okay, you know what, if and they sell them for $2,000, which, if you think about it, like, if you put on your conspiracy hat, Google could make some freaking profit from this, because apparently the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL will sell for somewhere around $700 to $800 when they are released in October. So diehard fans right now can purchase them for somewhere around $2,000, which is double the price. Like, even if they split in half the revenue with the Ukraine black marketers, even then they would have $300 more than if they sold them like legally or whatever. But I mean, that's just conspiracy theory, so take it with a pinch of salt. Really? Okay, so in our third story for today, we have Nikon. Yeah, this Nikon. Yeah. Okay, so Nikon is unveiling some mirrorless cameras. Now, this is not what I'm really excited about, because okay, they are full frame, they are pretty good. I mean, they're amazing, but they are friggin' expensive. Not that this thing that I will be reporting on isn't, but okay, I'm just excited because of the freaking number of the aperture. Nikon is coming up with a lens which is 58mm f/0.95. Okay, so to give you some context here, this is an image taken by a 50mm f1.8. Okay, so imagine this image down to f/0.95. Okay, it will be aggressive bokeh, but it will be amazing. Especially for the enthusiasts like me who see aperture numbers as low as this one, or as high as wide, or whatever you want to call it, and they go like crazy. Like, it's really, if someone can sell me this lens, even if it's on black market, I'll take it. I'll take it. I will trade you a Google Pixel 3 XL for that. Okay? Do we have a deal here? Now, quick bonus story. Poco Phone F1 was released by Xiaomi, which is great. It has Snapdragon 845. It's actually a OnePlus 6 with a wider notch, a slightly larger screen from Xiaomi for $300. Now, this is amazing. Okay, I love Xiaomi. They do all this kind of neat stuff. Thing is, build quality is and I'd really like to see a durability test of this phone. And I'd really like to see a durability test of this phone, but I don't really care about the durability that much because if you're buying a $300 phone with a Snapdragon 845, 6 gigs of RAM and all that stuff, you are left with another $300 if you were to buy a OnePlus 6, which means that you can replace this phone and still be in the territory of the price point of the OnePlus 6. So thank you for following the latest tech news with me on NT News today. Subscribe, like, dislike if you hate this stupid show. And I'll see you in the next one, probably. Peace.